Hey everybody, I'm here with the 1586. I'm going to do the last cold start and run until next spring. Just don't need it anymore this time of year. Also, the 685, one of the tires finally gave out on it. It was pretty much a drag slick anyway. And this one doesn't have too far left. There ain't much tread. It won't last much longer, but we're going to fix this one and see how long it'll last us. And the lights are not working in the shop for some reason, so I'm using them, putting the LEDs to work on the case that I put on there, and put some like it on this tractor. But here we go. It's the first time it's been started in probably a week. It's about 55 degrees, so here goes nothing. Smoky too. Woo. I'm gonna let it run and charge up the batteries a minute. I said it did pretty good, especially being it only had one battery in it. Waiting to put my LEDs on it when I restore it. It's not really going to be a restoration. It's going to be like a budget restoration, so I'm just going to sand it and paint it and fix a few small things like lighting, but it's going to look a lot better. I got my grill for it right here. Hell, I know you can't see it. Anyway. These handles I have on here, the other ones rubber and they finally dry rotted and fell off. But I got these things off, they came off of a riding lawnmower. And they fit on there really good. And I finally got a seat on it. That came out of an old Jeep. And I made a way to make it get on there. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but it works. I wish I had some better light. I know y'all can't see it, but the PTO won't stop turning. The lever's turned off, and if you grab the PTO, it'll stop turning. But it's not really, I don't know, the PTO doesn't work, but it'll still turn until you put it under a load, and then it'll stop turning. So I don't know what the deal is. But I'm going to try to fix that. I know you still can't see it. I don't have any good lighting. You might can see my grill now. No. Alright, now you can see it. This is the grill I'm going to put back on it. I'm debating, should I paint it black like it already is, repaint it black, or paint it red. Let me know what you think will look better. And my battery's about dead, so that'll be it. Y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.